Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so exciting. So we have new bundles launching tomorrow. Matilda Jane basically has taken some of our current season stuff, put it together as easy-made outfit options for you, and discounted it like crazy. So there's a couple ways to get Matilda Jane discounted. One would be to be a trunk keeper. Two is to host a show. The third is to wait for an end of the season sale and hope your sizes are still there. And this, my friends, is the fourth way to get Matilda Jane discounted. And that is to take advantage of these bundles. So I'm going to share them with you right now. There are 7 bundles. So let's get started. The first bundle is these 3 tops. I'm going to show them to you up close because they're just adorable. Matilda Jane is all about details, as you know. And if you were to buy these 3 tops individually, this button's right here, working buttons. If you were to buy these 3 tops individually without the bundle deal going on, look at that amazing print, then you would be paying $112 for these 3 tops. But starting tomorrow, for a limited time only, you can get these 3 tops for $59 total. Y'all, what about that savings? It's amazing. And because we want to make life super easy for you, we also put together a shorties bundle. So let's talk about shorties. Shorties, well, shorties are a must-have for every age girl in your life. Shorties help little girls go outside and play and look cute, but be comfortable and covered while doing it. So my girls have always used shorties under dresses. It doesn't even matter if they match because they just are under dresses. So they can do cartwheels or monkey bars. And we also use shorts to mix and match with Matilda Jane or other brand like Graphic Tees, Cat and Jack tops. Shorty, like we could not have lived without shorties. Can you say hello?
Hi.
She also loves maxi dresses, right?
And rompers.
And rompers. Okay, go. So what we've done, I'm going to show you how these 3 tops and these 3 shorts. Oh, wait, before I tell you. So these 3 shorts, all 3, if you bought them individually without the bundle deal going on, are going to be $96. But friends, for you, $59 for all 3. So I'm going to show you, y'all, the number of outfits is just amazing. So if you bought that, looks cute together. This looks cute together. This looks cute together. So there's 3 outfits, okay? Now, let me show you this. Look at the detail on those, by the way. That looks cute together. That looks cute together. And that looks cute together. 3 more outfits. Okay, so we're looking at, so far we've looked at 5 pieces to make 6 outfits, okay? Next up, don't you love how that color, like ombres, look how trendy that is. That looks cute together. This looks cute together. And this, my friends, is stinking amazing together. So that is 6 pieces, 9 outfits, not to mention the fact you're gonna go to Target, to Old Navy, to Gap, and get cute little tops to go with this. These you are also going to pair. Mary Catherine loves J. Crew's white skinny jeans, so we will do those. Target has some awesome little white and denim cutoff shorts that we will layer all of these things with. So the possibilities are truly endless. But we have a few other bundles I want to share with you too. They're equally as good and mix and match even with all of this stuff. So you saw Mary Catherine in this just yesterday. She was trying to convince me that she needed these earrings. Anyway, this bundle is so fab. So for your girls who may or may not be into the Matilda Jane big ruffle pants, in full disclosure, my girls are not. They look so cute on them, but they just can't feel comfortable in them. So this is our answer, and they love these. This is the softest ever, and it feels really a lot like pajamas. And y'all, look at that detail. So if you were to buy these 2 pieces without the bundle deal, it's going to cost you $72, but y'all, $39 for both of these. So if you are looking at this bundle, also consider that each of these shorts also looks nice. And while we're talking about shorts, I do want to mention, I do suggest sizing up in shorts. They are meant to be fitted short shorts. But if you size up for the first year, roll the waist, they just are not quite as fitted, and then you will get 2 to 3 years out of them. Okay, so I've showed you that bundle. I've showed you the shorts bundle. I've showed you the top bundle because we think it does look so cute together. This is its own bundle. So if you didn't want all 3 tops and all 3 shorts, you could do this bundle. If you bought this regular, $70, but yours for $39. Or if this is more your style and you didn't want all 3 tops and all 3 bottoms, you could do this top and those shorts, not for $70, but for $39 while the bundle deal is going on. But we believe, y'all, in dressing from bows to toes, okay? From head to top. So I'm going to show you some accessory bundles going on. Look how cute that bow is. And I want to show you, it has the alligator clip that is great in every age child's hair. And these awesome, I call these scarf bows. So this my girls did shift to after they told me that they outgrew these. Because yes, the rule at our house was no bow, no go. So they shifted to the scarf bows. So this has the rubber band attached, and you can get both of these. If you bought them without the bundle deal, it's $32, but you're getting both sets. Like this comes in a set and this. So really all 3 for $15. And y'all, let me just show you. These look so great. Can y'all see that? These look so great with all of this. And last but not least, if your daughter is not into the bows, Mary Catherine's new favorite headband. Is this adorable? And these cute little socks. So you can get this deal, not for $32, you get it for $15. I mean, y'all, like all 3 of these, it's like $5 each. A $5 headband, hello, so cute. And again, this looks great with all of this. So you could pick one bundle. You could say, get me all the bundles, whatever you want. Let me know, DM me if you want the link to order, or I'm happy to always place the order for you. And I can also help you if you're like, I really want those shorts, but help me pick out other shirts to go with the shorts bundle. We can totally do that. You, of course, can add on anything to the bundles. What we can't do is change out and say, oh, I want 3 shirts, but not those 3 shirts. For the bundles that are starting tomorrow, these are your choices. Mommy, they are what they are. I hope y'all are having a fabulous Sunday. Hang on just a second. Can you say hello?
Hi.
She's back. We are about to go have some family fun, but I'm super excited for you to go evaluate your child's closet, see what needs to be added, and contact me to help.